Hi, Mountain Adventure Travels is involved with climate change, and we want to plant trees in the countries that we go to. So right now we are in Kyrgyzstan, in the village of Kochkar. Kochkor. Kochkor, yeah. In the village of Kochkor. And this is Ijen. So I'm staying in her guest house. And there's a little boy here, such a cute boy. Yeah. So we are giving 100 US to plant maybe about 25 trees, okay? Now, it's a bit cold in the season here right now. So we are giving this, and Ijen is going to plant some different type of fruit trees and non-fruit trees. So Ijen, this is for you here. This is in Song. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Rahmat.
Thank you. So I really want to, I just want to be so happy because this is, we are helping planting trees. And thank you. You're going to dig the plant, dig the ground, water, and whatever tree, you can keep the fruits, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you again.
Rahmat.